In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Samsung M2876ND printer driver in 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match should appear in this window. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on this open option to continue. Now, in a while, you would be redirected or navigated to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set there before you proceed. Once a search bar is available, please type for Samsung space M2876ND driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. And please proceed to this one. Click on it. And you would be redirected to this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you. Once ready, click on this down arrow key. Okay, it will automatically detect the operating system. Anyway, the Windows 11 is not detected since this driver is not available for it. Okay, so no worries for that because Windows 10 100% work for Windows 11. So please proceed with download product installation software. Go with the basic drivers and it will show you the printer driver. All you need to do is you need to click on this download aligning to it and wait until it will now start on the downloading process. So please navigate at the upper right side of the screen. There you can see the download icon. The download here process. We just have to wait until this would be completely downloaded before we proceed to the installation. Okay, so once done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here at the location, please make a right click, okay? And you need to click on this cut icon, close the window as well as this one, and here at the desktop, make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, you need to double tap to it so that you can now start on the installation. Okay, just double tap to it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation. Now please click on next. Click on this one to agree on the license agreement. Go with next. Okay, just select any of this. Okay, select any of this. Go with next. Click on next. And it will now start on the installation. Please wait for some time. Okay, so it's now preparing to install. So the setup has been completed. Go with finished. Okay, so there you have that. You have just successfully installed the printer driver. So without any further ado, you can now close the window and you can now use the new printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.